Hey guys, this is Alex hijacking Luke's video to give you guys an update on the Toyota Tercel that we did the cadaver lift on. Been driving it now for about 250, 300 miles. It turned out good. The back end only took about an hour to do, and the front gave us some fun times when I broke the spring compressor. Here's a side-by-side with Luke's car, Spud, sitting here. You can tell it's a couple inches taller, even though Luke does have the air shocks on his car. All in all, the ride quality has not changed at all. I did notice a little bit of more wind will blow me around a little bit. You know, these cars can be kind of top heavy anyway in the first place, but it's pretty good. So yeah, all in all, I like it a lot. I definitely recommend it if you have a lot of snow in your area or you do a lot of winter driving. Oh, all right, sorry about that, screen went dark. But yeah, all in all, it's been a great thing to do. If you do winter wheeling or driving, it's definitely worthwhile to do. If you have any questions, feel free to message it on the video. All in all, you guys have a good day, and we'll talk to you later.